Okay, part 2 of this video is showing you what this would look like for a student and how they can respond to the activities, watch the videos, see the PowerPoints, and then create the answers on the worksheet without doing any printing out at all. So I have set myself up as a student here. So this is exactly what it will look like when the students in your class log on to Seesaw. So this is the Friday maths activity that I've set up. So we're going to click on this, and here are the instructions. Then when you click on this, this shows you the PowerPoint. So I have snipped this on the PowerPoint presentation that you get from Primary Stars. I've deleted the slides that I don't need, and I've just kept the slides that I do. So this is one lesson. It said what the intention is here. And then as you go through, here's the question. The children can have a go. Here's the answer for them to check. So all I did to achieve this was I duplicated the slide and I deleted the answers off of it. So you've got one without answers and one with answers. Again here, what's one less, what's one more? There are the answers for you to double check. So this is where they can practice the skills that they've watched in the video. And then I want them to do the activity. So I'm going to click on Add Response. And you can see this is the worksheet that I want the children to complete. So the first question, for a start, I can zoom in if I need to. This, I'll keep it as it is. It says, what is one less, what is one more? There are two options of how you can fill this out. The first one is to use the little text box at the side. So I can see here we've got 5, 10, 15, 16. One less is 15. I'm going to type that there. And then I'm going to make it a bit smaller and just move it into that box there. Alternatively, you can use the pencil at the bottom, and I'm going to write one more than 16 is 17. This is on a laptop, remember, so obviously on a computer it would be much easier to use a stylus or your finger to write the answers. Okay, so you can use that text box or you can use the pencil. If you need to do anything that uses bigger lines, I know when we had 10 frames we filled in the dots like this, it's much easier. You've got a rubber, so you can just rub everything out that you've drawn or that you've written, and then if you want to delete things like this, you just click and delete. Easy peasy. So then once I've completed that, if I just add a couple of answers in, this isn't going to work now, is it's going to be a pain. There we go. So one less is 15 and one more is 17. I'll just do this one. Then you're going to click on the little green tick in this corner. It will upload, and that is it. And then when I log back onto my teacher account, I will see that that is there, and I'll be able to do a little comment responding. Simple.